Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby daisy day today. Today, something miraculous has happened. This never happens, and I am not kidding you. It never happens. The lion came into my office during the workday and said, do you want to go to IKEA after work today? And yes, I always want to go to IKEA. I love IKEA. Or IKEA, I believe it is supposed to be pronounced, but the husband does not. He hates it. But he's got a couple of things that he wants to pick up. I've got a couple of things that I'd quite like to pick up while we're there, so we are going. We also, because we've both been ill, and thank you for your lovely messages and well wishes and everything. Thank you so much, guys. Really appreciate it. It properly knocked us for 6. But we haven't done any food shopping either, so we are going, at the time, it's 6:45, and we are probably going to try and eat something there before we do a little shoppy shop, because it stays open until 9 PM. So we're going to do that, and because it is an historic occasion, what with him indoors, saying, shall we go? Yeah, I thought I would vlog it. Exciting. It's not really the luxury shopping, but it is fun shopping. My arm's starting to hurt, honestly, still so tired. Yeah, so he wants to go and pick up some smart light bulbs, I think. I want to get some fresh glasses because our glassware has gone a bit cloudy in the dishwasher, and I'm going to get something else. I've already picked it. I worked out exactly where it is, so it should be a case of just picking it up when we're there. But let me turn the camera around and show you. So we're moving. Yes, we're moving, which means I won't have my funny little lemurs here anymore, but I do have this roll end of wallpaper. This was the last bit of the wallpaper from when we did my room, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one of these frames so I can frame this and take them with me, take my crazy little lemurs with me. I was going to take my new tote bag, Marc Jacobs the tote bag in denim mini. I was going to take that today, but I want my hands free, so I've decided I'm going to use my little Fendi Nano Baguette from the Vertigo collection, and that's just going to have keys and rennies and stuff in there. I'm going to carry my lippy and my card holder loose, because I want my hands free so I can rummage around and get into everything. And for this momentous occasion, I am wearing one of my new cashmere jumpers from John Lewis. Really happy about this. It's really soft and snuggly and warm. I'm not wearing anything underneath it, but it's not feeling itchy or anything. And I think this is going to give me the right level of warmth. I've got my really old now baggy black jeans from John Lewis. I can't remember if they're John Lewis and Partners or if they were Hush. I think they were just John Lewis and Partners. And then I've got these Steve Madden trainers with a little bit of leopard print there. And then I'm going to wear my new M&S raincoat over the top. Okay, we're feeding the babies. Pardon? Before we go, so yes, I'm coming. Oh, Daisy. Oh, Lily. Lily. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're so noisy. Yeah? Is this what you want? Don't do that to the tea towel. Is this what you want? Is it? Are you gonna help? Oh wow, okay. You're still a little bit unstable. Look at that tail, still curled round. But good news from the vet, they can't find anything wrong with her. She's probably just taking a sweet time. Or, because she's that kind of cat, she could just be, this is how I walk now. Happy babies. How are you feeling about your suggestion to go to IKEA?
If I can keep you on the designated walk route at pace,
Yeah,
we'll be fine.
I'm too fast for you.
Are you taking the stupid little bag?
You're still ill. The what?
Is that so you can move quickly?
Yeah, so I can be swift.
And mobile.
Mobile, and I can get away from you. I
have a secret weapon.
You're ill. No, what's your secret weapon?
Well, it's not a secret weapon if I tell you, is it?
Tell me.
Training reins. I've got them in the car.
Have you? What exactly are you going to clip them to?
Everything.
I don't want to tempt fate.
Every time.
How bizarre. How bizarre. We were singing along in the car, and it was actually, traffic-wise, a really good drive, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yes. And here we are. I am not ready for it to be this dark at 7:10 already. First stop food? First stop food. We've got our big IKEA bag.
What'd you call me?
My big IKEA bag. Ooh. That's very vlogmasy, isn't it? Here's the restaurant. Let's see what they've got. Meatballs, obs. We're going to need to get some of these. Yeah. Lauren's gone for meatballs and mash. I've gone with a chicken schnitzel and what looks like a massive dollop of barbecue sauce, Hasselback potatoes. It said broccoli on the menu, but they don't have any, so I've got peas, and he's got peas as well. It's not fine dining, but there was no food in the house. Job done. Ooh. Been eating a bag of these. I've already picked up the Christmas limited edition orange ones. Yummy, yummy, yummy. In the bag it goes. Right, my love, shall we? Lux watch so far. One Gucci GG Marmont belt. One Louis Vuitton classic monogram Pochette Matisse with a little bandeau bow flourish on it. Let's see what else we can spot. I love all of the little setups and stuff they do here. This looks like this is the party place. Don't know about our new place. I want to move in here. Look at that popcorn. I've not seen them do stuff like this before. It's very cool. Very atmospheric for Halloween. Really have not seen them do this before. It's very cool. Look. Oh, this is cool. There's an octopus in the thing. in the cooking pot. Would you trust any cocktails made by this? I don't know what to call it. I think the lion's getting some ideas for his gaming cave. Yeah? It's a what? Oh wow, okay, yeah. That's nice. I thought you were drawn in by the LEDs. Is that supposed to look like noise stuff? Sound insulation.
They don't sell it. It's not sound insulation. They don't sell it.
What's it called? Look, we've got some koalas in the UK. What's that all about? Ooh. Easy. Have you got a new friend? I ate that duck. Do you want him?
No.
Because we're not sponsoring them anymore, are we?
There's something. No, where would it go?
He'd be your downstairs bear like mine.
No, I don't need another thing on the sofa.
Yes, you do. The babies would love him.
Love him.
Yeah.
In a weird kind of way.
No, not in a weird kind of way. Probably kickaroo him. Is he not coming home with us then?
No, but. No.
But what?
No.
You said but.
It's got a massive label.
Yeah, it's got a massive label.
It's very soft.
He's very soft. I liked him. Look at his face.
He's got a big tummy like me.
Yeah, that's so cute.
I'm sure he's got a big tummy like
I
me.
see. I see a meeting of minds here. No paps. This is where the fun really begins. In the marketplace. Woo. Love. Now I'm going to find the lion a new pillow because he loves the pillows here. Skogfraken. Too soft. He's a party monkey. He has to come home with us. Look. He's a party monkey. Oh, he's having a fabulous time. That's a good idea for a reusable advent calendar. That's a really good idea. That really is a very good idea. Lots of storage things. I love a bit of storage. Oh, these are cute. Little coat hooks. You like this?
Yeah, I do feel like it's a stuffing shock machine though.
Why? Oh, well, because it's... Well, I get them all the time. It's quite good for an awkward space, isn't it?
I don't like this. I need a different...
Oh, that would be easy to change. It's got a whiff of the Art Deco about it, baby. There are some screaming ferals in here tonight. Look, more monkeys! Oh, they're everywhere. Those ones. They look like they've been taken hostage. They've been cable tied. They've been taken hostage. These one, yeah, I'm looking at the pretty light bulbs because it's a simple thing, but really, really pretty. And I really like the look of this one. It's not out, so I can't see what it's like lit up. But LEDs are amazing. That's a very, very pretty bulb. But, oh, aren't they lovely? The babies are getting a new little snuggle rug to go on the sofa with us. Because because Lily's sitting on the sofa with us now. Oh, good evening.
8:30 p.m.
Good
and
God.
The store will be closing in 30 minutes at 9 p.m.
Frame.
Could all remaining customers please make their way to the checkout?
Where's my
within
frame?
parentheses?
Yeah, I think this is the one. 61 by 91. It's the aperture with the thing in it. The mount is 50 by whatever it is. 50 by 70. So that should give me enough lemur action. No, I need a bamboo. My one, because he died. And I've got 7 and I'm supposed to have 8, otherwise it's bad luck. It's got to be 8s. I expect it was only having 7 bamboos that made the boiler break.
It's exactly that.
Got lots of Christmas stuff out, and look. Da 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 da. Disco balls. I love a good disco ball. Look at these. Pretties. Pardon?
Gingerbread house, build your own.
Build your own gingerbread house. Do you want to make one? Do you want to make one? It is a bit early in the year. We'll come back. I'll only eat it. You always think you're going to come in and spend a tenner, don't you?
No, not with you, no.
Da, da, da. Ready? That work? What's that, Lily?
This is for you. Hey? Yeah. Yeah. Look. Look. Leaving. Hey. Hey.
She wants a daddy cat tickle.
Hey. You're going to have to walk on it if you're tickles. Yes, you are. How does that feel? Is that nice? Oh, yeah. Look.
Ooh. No takers.
No takers. I thought we'd put that there because you know how cats will change.
Yeah. They're like me. Investigations are underway. What do you think, Lily?
She thinks she will only stand on the existing blanket. Oh, baby. You've got your... What are you like?